Introduction. Prophet Muhammad, also known as the Messenger of God, was born in Mecca in the year 570 CE. He was a member of the Quraysh tribe, and his life and teachings have had a profound impact on the world and continue to be of great significance to Muslims today. According to Islamic tradition, Muhammad was 40 years old when he received his first revelation from God, who spoke to him through the angel Gabriel. Over the next 23 years, Prophet received many more revelations, which were later compiled into the Holy Book of Islam, the Quran. Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, led his life by example. Quite obviously, if you are in search of life lessons in order to become wiser, the Sirah, Sunnah, and Hadith of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, is a better option. Life lessons that we can learn from Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, cover various matters of life, such as business, relationships, faithfulness, and living together in harmony. 10 life lessons we can learn from Prophet Muhammad, PBUH. 1. Always speak the truth. 2. Think beyond narrow borders. 3. Wish good for others. 4. Help and strengthen one another. 5. Do not be unfair. 6. Treat neighbors with kindness. 7. Be kind to every living being. 8. Do not criticize others. 9. Seek, learn and question. 10. Do good deeds, and smile.